Hi, I'm Toby.
And I'm Chris.
And this is Concrete Lab.
We've been making decorative concrete for the last 10 years. And on this channel, we're going to help you make your own decorative concrete products. From the basics right through to more complex projects, with plenty of pro tips along the way.
We have three main products, our GFRC Worktop Premix, our Micro Cement and our Casting Face. We've developed each of these three products so that they're easy to use and create your own beautiful polished concrete with absolutely no experience.
We've broken down our projects into handy bite-sized chunks so you can dip in and out whenever you need.
Also, head on over to our website, the link is in the description below, and download our handy polished concrete project planner.
We have handy calculators, we've got tool lists, lots of blog posts on various decorative concrete related topics.
You can find us on all the usual social media channels. We are on Instagram, we're a little bit on Twitter, we're on Facebook, we're even on Pinterest where we've got lots of product inspiration for your projects, and of course we're on YouTube.
If you're getting value from any of these videos, please give us a thumbs up, it really makes a big difference.
And if you have any questions or comments, please pop the comments in the comment box below, or even email us the questions and we'll come back to you ASAP.
Thanks for watching.